Hey everyone, welcome to this step-by-step guide. Today we are going to walk through how to install WordPress on your hosting account. If you have a cPanel, this process is incredibly simple. Thanks to a tool called Softaculous, you'll have your website up and running in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, you need to log in into your web hosting control panel, also known as a cPanel. You can usually find this by going to your domain name followed by /cPanel. Your hosting provider should have sent you those login details when you sign up for a hosting account. And here we are inside cPanel. It might look a little overwhelming with all these icons, but don't worry, you only need one. Now we are looking for the WordPress installer. This is most often found in a section called Softaculous Apps Installer. And here it is. You see the WordPress logo and name. Just give it a click. This brings us to the WordPress overview page within Softaculous. You can read about the features here, but to begin installation, we simply click this big blue install button at the top. Now we are at the most important part, the installation form. Let's go through it step by step. First, under software setup, we choose the version of WordPress. You always want to go with the latest version. Next, you're going to see choose installation URL. Make sure you click on the drop down and select HTTPS instead of HTTP. You'll see your domain and you'll confirm the URL directly below the domain. The next box after your domain, you'll see something like in directory. This is when you're installing WordPress maybe on a subdomain. You just need to add the extension of your subdomain here. And we have confirmed our WordPress version. Next, we go to site name. I'm just going to write demo. Under site description, you describe your website in a short form. Under site name, remember to use your website name. The next thing is admin username. So I'm just going to use admin for demo purposes. And we have admin password. If you set a very strong password, I'll just use access to admin since this is for demo purposes. Next, I'll just go with my email here. Once you confirm your information is okay, just click install at the bottom and wait for some seconds for WordPress to install. Now, if I zoom in, you're going to see WordPress has been successfully installed. You have the URL to the website and you have the admin URL. This admin URL will take you to the login page, the admin login page. So if I just click on it, it's going to redirect me to the login page. And from here, I'll have direct access since I created my credentials on the same browser. This is the admin dashboard. It's really that simple. In less than 5 minutes, you have gone from a blank hosting account to fully functional WordPress site. The hard part is over and the fun part, customizing and creating content, can now begin. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below. Happy building, and I'll see you in the next video.